welcome to Learning Ladder. In today's video, we are going to be looking at words that begin with the sound A. The name of this letter is A, and the sound is A. Let's look at words that begin with A. Ready, steady, go. A is for apple. A, A, apple. A is for aquarium. A, A, aquarium. A is for arrow. A, A, arrow. A is for ant. A, A, ant. A is for axe. A, A, axe. A is for ambulance. A, A, ambulance. Well done. Now let's go over the words again. A is for apple. A, A, apple. A is for aquarium. A, A, aquarium. A is for arrow. A, A, arrow. A is for ant. A, A, ant. A is for axe. A, A, axe. A is for ambulance. A, A, ambulance. Well done. You are amazing. You have learned to identify words with the A sound. You can always go over the words again. Remember, there are lots of videos on this channel to support your learning. If you enjoyed watching this video, do give it a like and subscribe for more. Bye-bye until I see you again.